Welcome back, students. Let's discuss one more question from this chapter, Birth by A.J. Crony. In the last video module, we have learnt or discussed one question that related with a statement that I have done something. Oh God, I have done something real at last. This is what he spoke. Now coming to the next question, question number 2 in your exercise. What is the question? That there lies a great difference. I wrote in short here. The question is, there lies a great difference between textbook medicine and the world of a practicing physician. There is a great difference between textbook medicine and the world of a practicing physician. Discuss. Now, come to the answer of this question. Here the answer comes, we know that from a long time, we have been hearing that what we have been hearing that there lies a great difference between what theory and practice. We have been hearing that, and this is true, absolutely true, that there is a lot of difference, or there lies a difference between theory and practice. These two words, theoretical information knowledge and practical knowledge here, or your skill based knowledge here, your skill, and this is absolutely true. Now, theoretical information I wrote in brief here, in short. Theoretical information does not provide solution to all the problems, as we know. If we go as per the textbook of medicines, or as per the content which is written in the textbook of the medicines, then it is not possible to get the solutions to all the problems, not possible to treat all the patients here or to save their lives. It is not possible. Now, it provides what? It provides the treatment of various diseases. That your textbook plus that book or the theory, it gives treatment, or it provides the treatment to various diseases. But at times, what is the difference? At times, doctors face a dilemma, just like here, Dr. Andrew Manson, that he faced a dilemma, that whom to save first, whether to save first a mother or child, whom to save first. That was because both were in a critical condition. They needed a special attention or a treatment. So here in your book or in the textbook medicine, nowhere it is written that in such a condition that you should save a child first or you should save a mother first. No, using your sense here, your practical knowledge or the skill, your sense, that you need to take a decision there. And here the same thing happened. Dr. Andrew Manson, he took a decision. Looking at the demand of a situation or a dilemma, he took a decision here. He decided to save a mother first. Otherwise, no book will provide the answer of this question that you should save a mother first or a child first here. It is up to you. So now, next, here we know that Andrew had to make a decision right now that we have discussed. And what was the decision or the dilemma he caught in between here? Mother and a child. So, and the dilemma was that who to take care of first here, whether to go to save life of mother first or a child first, because the child was lifeless, that was still born like a dead one, because he had a problem that is given asphyxia pallida, that breathing problem here, breathing. Now, no medical textbook could have helped here. For example, if Dr. Andrew Manson, if he would have gone through as per the instructions of the medicine in case of mother and a child, in that case, so definitely here, he might have not been able to save the life of a mother and a child here, if he would have gone as per the textbook knowledge here. So no medical textbook could have helped whom? Andrew. So then, but instead of using textbook knowledge here, what he did there, he acted instinctively here, without care here and there, that he at once took the decision to save the life of mother first. Now, treated mother, and he treated the mother. How did he treat the mother? In a traditional treatment, in a traditional way or a method that he gave treatment to mother and saved her life. And then he turned his attention to a child, to the baby, and he treated the child with a mixture of traditional and intuitive treatment here. He used here mixture here. What? In case of mother, he used only traditional treatment, but in a case of a child, that he gone so far there, means he crossed that boundary here, that he used traditional plus intuitive treatment here, mixture. And it is not given in any medical book here that you should use in this case this and this one here. You should take hot water and the cold water, and you should dip the child in hot water and the cold water. No, it is not given in any medical book here. And plus you should rub the chest of the child. You should release, crush, release. It is not given such type of the method here. So now, and finally we know that due to the efforts of Dr. Andrew Manson, that he saved the life of a mother and a child. Mother and child. Next, as per the textbook, the child was born lifeless. It means stillborn child without having a life. It means having the breathing problem here. The child was born, but he was successful in reviving the child finally. Otherwise, as I told you, if he would have gone as per the textbook content, then he might have not been able to save the life of mother and the child. But finally, that he used some different method, his skill, his practical knowledge, and then he revived the child. He restored the child back to life. So in this way, children, here you have to define that what is the difference, where the difference lies between the textbook medicine and what the world of a practicing physician, with reference to this story, that is birth. It means your general writing, common writing, your understanding about this term, plus you have to take the reference from this chapter, only collect the points. Here it is not expected that you should include the whole summary. No, not at all. That you need to include only the main points which are the base, which could prove this statement is yes, really true, whatever given in the question. So that's all from me, students. Thank you.